Hey guys, wanna know how to archive WhatsApp chats on your device? Let me show you how to do that. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your device, and afterwards make sure you're located on the Chats tab. Now find the chat you wanna archive and slide it to the left. It will open this simple menu. Just click on this archive green option and the chat will be archived. Now enter this tab right there below the search bar, and now you'll see all of the archived chats right there. Now, if you want to add even more privacy to this chat, you can even lock it. So just slide it to the left, but here choose the More option. And from the pop-up, click on the Lock option right there. So you'll be prompted to continue and set a PIN code. So hit Continue and enter any passcode. For example, I will use just zeros. So now your chat is locked, and to actually see it, just click on the locked chats and enter previously set PIN code. But what if even this isn't enough for you? You can actually hide the locked chats. So from this locked chats menu, go to the settings in the top right and tap on the Hide Locked Chats toggle to enable it. And now click on the Create Secret Code option and enter any code you can remember. It could be even an emoji, but I'll go with 4 ones. Now hit Next at the top right and re-enter the secret code to confirm it and actually set it. Now the locked chats are actually hidden and you will not be able to see them from here. So to actually see them, go to the search and enter the secret code. In my case, it would be 4 ones, and they will be automatically unlocked and found. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.